Such a hot day today.
Mirabel.
Oh, hi, Isabela. What are you doing?
Oh, do you want to go and play in the garden with me?
No, Isabel. It's so hot outside.
Well, then what shall we do?
I don't know. I was thinking to bake a pet.
You mean like bake a pet, like a dog or something?
Yeah, just like that. We can bake a bunny or a kitty cat or a puppy. What do you say? Sounds like a good idea? Are you okay, Mirabel? Yeah, I'm okay. It's gonna be lots of fun. Hold on, don't leave. I'm gonna go and get it, okay? Stay right here. Bake a puppy or a kitty. Mom! I need help. Something is wrong with Mirabel. I need help. Here we are. Isabela, where are you? Here's our Cookeez. Where are you, Isabela? I wonder where she went. I really wanted to bake this puppy with her. Mom! Mirabel, you. Yeah, me. Do you remember? Are we gonna do this? Oh, this is what you meant about baking a pet. I got nervous. I thought you want to catch our dog and bake it. I thought you were crazy. Isabela. All right, let's get unboxing. I love this. I saw it in Target. Oh, yes, let's have so much fun. So guys, these are the Cookeez, and you can make a surprise pet. And let's see. Oh wow, there are 3 to collect. Which pet would you get? I wonder which one we'll get. So you mix your ingredients, you make and you shape it, then you place it in the oven, then you reveal your surprise pet. And they're warm and scented, and they actually have sounds and reactions. That is so awesome. What are we waiting for? Let's unbox it. So let's see, guys, what's inside. Whoa, I think we have all the ingredients over here. So we have cinnamon treats mix, a recipe for love. And so we're gonna need a water and a mixing bowl. So let's see, guys, what do we have inside? We have our ingredients, 2 packs. Then we have our mold. Oh, how cute. And we have our measuring cup. Oh, this is so adorable. And of course, a spoon to mix with. And we have our bag. Excellent. First, we're gonna put the 2 packs in a bowl. Then we're gonna measure some water. Then we're gonna mix it and turn it into a bowl. And then we're gonna put it into the shape. Then we are going to put it in the oven. And voila, we're gonna have our amazing pet. So the first step, we have to unscrew these screws at the bottom of the oven. So we have to take them all out. Excellent. We got our bowl. Then we're gonna get our 2 packs of ingredients, and we're just gonna place them both in the bowl. Excellent, there's one. And there's the second one. Perfect. Now we're gonna need a cup of water. Okay guys, with this measuring cup, we're just gonna get a cup of water, and we're just gonna place it in here, and we'll mix it together until we get a dough. And just like that. Then we're gonna get our hands inside. Okay. So let's try to get a tiny little dough in here. It feels like very hard Play-Doh. And it doesn't really smell good, but I think it's gonna be amazing once we get our pet. All right, so there we are. We got our dough. Now we have to put it in the mold and make our pet. Just like this. Okay, let's get going. Let's get the oven. Okay guys, before we place our pet in the oven, there is a tiny little handle over here, yellow. They want us to just pull it out. And now we're ready to put our pet in the oven. So very gently open the sides of the mold. And this one. And our pet is oh so cute, ready to go and be baked. Very good. We're gonna close. All right, now we're gonna start the oven. It'll take about a minute to 2 minutes for our pet to be ready, and we should hear a bell. So let's wait and see when our pet is ready. Oh, I can't wait to see what we're gonna get. I'm so excited. Oh, it's ready. Oh, I hear her. Oh my goodness, guys, are you ready? Oh wow, look at this. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, she's so warm. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh, guys, she's so cute. Yes, she is.
Okay, guys, so we have strawberry squirrel. She's super cute and she smells like strawberries.
Oh, and so cute. Oh, I love her. She's so soft and so adorable. Hey, Isabella, do you want to see? That's giant. Sure. Oh, she's so cute and smells so delicious. Should we eat her? Oh, no, 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 Isabella. She's just a pet to cuddle with. She's not for eating. Oh boy, I thought we were gonna eat her. Aw, I don't think she likes that, Isabella. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Oh, she sends you kisses. I'll see you guys next video. Mwah. Bye. So guys, have the dough in a bag and you can do it all over again. And all you have to do is just put the pet over here and then just close it, and you can redo it all over again. Just make sure that the dough doesn't get dry and that you put everything back into the oven. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.